Okay, I haven't done a video for a while, but this is a project that I've been wanting to do for a long time on the 260, and this is installing these frame rails. These frame rail supports stiffen up the car from Garage Theory. So we've got two of these, and that's the first one, and I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but let's take a look. Okay, so I cleaned the frame rails up and you can just see how crappy they are. Well, actually you probably can't, but it is absolutely pitted, bowed. Good grief. So this really need replacing. But I cleaned them up and I'm going to try and bolt that thing on. Jeez Louise. Rough. So I got it jacked up underneath and you can see just how bad that should be flush. Whoa. So I may start fixing it from the back and then draw it up to the front, but that's a mess. I tell you, working on upside down under there is not easy. But I drilled everything and you can see the, okay, so 2, 4, good, and you have to be real careful around this thing. Not real careful, but at least you bring the screws forward. You can see, look at that bow. There you go, there you go, there you go. And then I got 2 more at the front. So I'm going to drill those out with a bigger drill and thread them through. Well, that was painful. So I got all the screws in. A little short of screws, there weren't quite enough in the box, but I went to get some other ones. Those are the flathead ones, which may make it a little bit nicer under the carpet. And it actually tucked it up, so that thing is tight. It's actually bent there, but it is locked on tight under there. And I did the other side as well. I'll spin it around. And that's the Garage Theory. So it's on. And we'll drive it tomorrow and see how it is. Okay, so everything's back. Looks pretty clean in there, I think. Now, it's you can still feel the bulge where the vent subframe is, but that's in there. I think this car's looking pretty decent. And I think you can get a good look down there to see the frame rail. So it's in. I can zoom in. Yep. It's in. And that's the really bad one. It fits, but it's bent to conform with a bent frame rail. But we're done. So just back for a ride, and I definitely can tell. It's still not a luxurious 2022 ride, but it was pretty good. Just needs a tune-up now.